Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a cultural fit quiz and its result page using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. In order to create our cultural fit quiz, I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. It's one of the finest platforms to create disposable WordPress websites to test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can create a quick disposable WordPress website in no time. So let's dive into this. I have already installed the QSM plugin on my website. To see how to install the QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start by creating the quiz. Number 1. Hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Number 2. Once you click on Add New, the first thing we see is to select a theme for the quiz. QSM is a collection of stunning themes, but for now, let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Number 3. On Quiz Setting, we get an option to set up our quiz initially. Let's set a name for the quiz and select what kind of form we are using. You could select a set time limit for your quizzes. You could also select if you want only logged-in users to be able to fill the form. Number 4. Now comes the add-on section, where we get to see the most used or popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, and surveys. Currently, we don't need any add-ons, so I'll just click on Create Quiz. The last step is Here Comes the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for the cultural quiz. Let's enter the questions for our quiz. Let's start with the first one to check if the user is a perfect cultural fit or not. You can use the description box to write some additional information if required. After entering the question, on the right-hand side, you can choose the type of question and answer from the drop-down. I am taking the multiple choice type question here and writing answer choices and giving them points also to evaluate the quiz. And if you want, you can mark the question as required so this question cannot be skipped. And then click on Save Question. Since our first question is saved, let's create the second page to write our questions. For this first question, we will be selecting the multiple choice type question and writing answer choices with respective points. Once you've filled in the question, then click on Save Question. Now, let's create a third page question on the next page, and then repeat the process as previously. Save the question. Now all the questions are saved. Let's set up a contact field to collect the name of the applicants. Click on Add New Field. Let's select the field type as a small open answer and label it as Name. Let's select the Use For section and select Name there. Click on Add New Field and let's select the field type as a Date and label it as Date. Let's select the Use For section and select Business there. Now, since our question for the quiz is set and the contact field is configured to collect the user details, let's set our final result page for the quiz as per the score. So go to the Result Pages tab. Here, you can set conditions as per you when this page should be shown. Now, we have to design the final result page that we have to show people. So enter the message and take different variables from these templates. I am taking the username variable to put in my message. We don't need to show the question, answer, on the result page. Lastly, save the result page's changes here. Now let's preview our cultural quiz by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you can see, we have created the quiz successfully with all the questions and it's working wonderfully. Also, you can see the timer running on the rightmost bottom of the page. And that's all for this video. Stay tuned for new tutorials. Until next time, bye-bye and stay safe.